A biotech company in Texas just hatched live chicks from artificial eggshells. It's a world first. 26 baby chickens emerged from printed honeycomb structures. The shells were designed to mimic a real egg. A silicone membrane allowed oxygen to reach the embryo inside. Researchers transferred the embryos within 40 hours of laying. Roughly 18 days later, the chicks pecked their way out. The company, Colossal Biosciences, has a much bigger goal. Their real target is the South Island giant moa. This massive bird disappeared from New Zealand about 600 years ago. Moa eggs were roughly 80 times the size of a chicken egg. No living bird is large enough to serve as a surrogate. An artificial egg is the only way forward. Next, the team plans to test the system with emu and ostrich embryos. The amoa could follow after that. The company hasn't published a peer-reviewed study yet, but some scientists can barely contain their excitement. "It's the sort of thing of science fiction," said one paleobiologist. What this suggests is that extinct might not mean forever.